Good afternoon, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we were on our roof repair project, and this is what we ended up with. We opened up all the ridge lines correctly, installed certainteed shingle over vents with ridge cap shingles. We did not remove the box vents. That's probably a good practice in an ideal world, but in this situation there's no real harm done, and it will add to the ventilation. Got all the rusty pipes painted. Again, it's just a little small step, gives your customer a better product, and there's just no reason not to do it. Sidewall flashing issue, removed the counter flashing, resealed underneath it the full length with Titebond Seal Master. Flashing is actually about 2 feet behind this. And this is a properly corrected ridge line. There's no tape. Not sure what the first roofer was doing, but it wasn't right. And it's corrected now. This was an otherwise new roof. It just had some real poor detail workmanship, and now it's better. So if you've got roofing problems, if you're unsatisfied with a new installation, problems with your new roof, please give us a call. We've got the experience and the crews to get it right the first time for you. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.